Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. My name is Minha. So today in this video, I'm gonna share my tips and tricks sounds like a native speaker through my own experiences. So English is not a phonetic language. Words are not pronounced exactly the written in usual conversation and casual speeches. So when we hear Americans, it's really complicated and it's really exhausting. But when you try to listen them carefully, it's really interesting. So if you're interested, please continue watching this video. So my first advice should be try to listen everything that you hear in American accents or in any other accents from your favorite actors. So you can choose your favorite movies, songs, or you can see your favorite YouTube natives, videos, and so on. Number 2. So when we hear Americans, their voice are really coming out from their deep throat. So when you speak, our voice should be coming from the deep throat. So for example, like water, butter, hello, and so on. Number 3. So when Americans speak, they link, connect, and omit some of the words. For example, good day, they just pronounce it like good day. Just say it like one word. So when we just speak, we have to just link and connect and omit some of the words. Number 4. It's elision. Elision means when one sound just disappears. For example, next door, we just pronounce it like next door. So they just cut the T there and say that D. Say they just don't pronounce that D, they just pronounce that D and say like next door. So you can also use elision in your own sentences. It's assimilation. Assimilation means when two sounds blend together and they form completely new sounds. It's my favorite. It's like, it just pronounced like don't you. It's pronounced like don't you. Won't you, won't you. Would you, would you. So it's like very interesting. It's very American. So when you say that Americans speak so fast or so quickly, it's not the case. It's necessarily not the case because they just tend to run words and this end up by eliminating sounds. So if you're asking your friends, what are you doing later? Just reduce the sound and say that, what you doing later? So that what are is reduces to what you. Another example I have for you is that like where is he at? They just say that where is he at? Where is he at? So we should study some of the eliminations and some of the reductions to use in our own sentences. So if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see you.